Cyclospora cases continue to surge in Arkansas tonight, with the Department of Health reporting 123 cases across the state.
Majority in northwest Arkansas, 75 in Benton County, 13 in Washington County. They're also the only two counties currently reporting more than 10 cases. Thank you for joining us tonight at 6 on air and streaming on 5 News Plus. I'm Morgan Wrigley.
And I'm Darren Bobb. State health leaders say dozens of those cases of Cyclospora are connected to contaminated recalled iceberg lettuce.
There's still no clear answer, though, for why northwest Arkansas has become the state's hotspot.
5 News reporter Bo Russell spoke with the health department and local doctors about what may be driving these numbers.
Technically, I've seen, probably 24 at least.
Dr. Parker Dameron is a family medicine doctor with Mercy. He says Cyclospora has become a regular concern in his office as Benton County's confirmed case count climbs to 75. He explained the uncomfortable symptoms.
Water diarrhea, a little nausea, a little vomiting.
They seem to disappear before coming back.
Many have like a day where they feel better and they're like, oh, I'm getting better again. And then 24 hours later, it's right back again. It's because another life cycle has happened.
But why Benton County has become the center of Arkansas's outbreak depends on who you ask.
I anticipate that this is multifactorial. There are probably differences in testing practices and reporting practices at the different healthcare facilities in that area.
It's mostly been fast food places that have, just basically speedy service with lettuce involved.
They probably like Taco Bell better than the other counties. I'm really not sure.
Dr. Stephen Brown says if contaminated lettuce was distributed more heavily in northwest Arkansas, that could help explain the cluster. The ADH says several Arkansas cases have been linked to recalled Taylor Farms iceberg lettuce served at Taco Bell and other restaurants. Dr. Brown says restaurant lettuce is not automatically more dangerous, but customers have less control over how it's handled and prepared.
If you're buying produce at your grocery store and you're cleaning it yourself, you have less control over the situation if you're going to a restaurant and you're depending upon other people to wash the lettuce for you.
Doctors say most people recover, but severe diarrhea can lead to dehydration, low blood pressure, and electrolyte loss.
Significant potassium loss can cause quite a bit of heart problems due to arrhythmias.
Dr. Dameron says anyone with diarrhea lasting more than 3 days should contact a healthcare provider. For now, the ADH says the investigation continues, with no additional common food or restaurant link identified outside the known lettuce outbreak. The CDC says no deaths have been reported in connection to the parasite. In Benton County, covering news where you live, I'm Bo Russell, 5 News.